Hello, welcome back to BCBAMOCKEXAM.com. We are at Section E of the 5th edition of BCBA Task List. Don't forget to pause and make your own choice before checking out the correct answer on the next slide. Subscribe to our channel so that you can receive free learning materials from us to further assist you in preparing for the exam. Question 1. A client gives the BCBA a souvenir pencil with a price tag of $5.99. Regarding the gift, the BCBA can A. Not keep the pencil since BCBAs cannot accept gifts. B. Report the book. C. Keep the pencil. D. None of the above. The correct answer is C. Keep the pencil. According to the ethical code, BCBAs may accept monetary gifts of up to $10. This ethic can be tricky if you receive a $30 gift that is on sale for $9.99 or a similar situation. In general, use professional judgment and make decisions based on what you feel ethically comfortable doing. Question 2. A RBT is collecting data on client S hand flapping behavior during the classroom time. However, the data is collected during the playtime, clinic session or home setting. Should the BCBA use the data? A. When a function can be determined, use the data and implement an intervention. B. Apply differential reinforcement to lower rates of occurrences by using the total number of occurrences, as there is no harm and no function in this implementation. C. Write an intervention based on the data, but insist the staff follow the operational definition next time. D. Do not write an intervention because the data doesn't represent baseline. The correct answer is D. Do not write an intervention because the data doesn't represent baseline. This data is no longer accurate because different functions/variables may be influencing behavior in different environments. In this case, an intervention that works for hand flapping behavior in class but not during playtime, clinic sessions, or at home. Question 3. A BCBA asks a RBT to help with the functional behavior assessment. Which of the following best describe the professional scope? A. Only BCBA and CABA can conduct a functional analysis independently. B. RBT can conduct a functional analysis independently with the permission of a BCBA. C. RBT is allowed to support the functional analysis. D. BCBA, CABA and RBT can all conduct a functional analysis independently. The answer is C. RBT is allowed to support the functional analysis. Under the supervision of a BCBA, RBTs are permitted to assist with a variety of assessment procedures. RBTs cannot write the plan or the components of a functional analysis, but they can certainly assist with its implementation. Question 4. Jeff's son ended behavioral service with Alice, who is a BCBA 3 years ago. Jeff and Alice begin to date. According to the ethic code, Alice can A. Never date Jeff because they had a professional relationship before. B. Wait another 2 years to date Jeff as the relationship ended 3 years ago. C. Report the issue to the BUC but make sure the situation is legally recorded. D. Date Jeff as the relationship ended more than 2 years ago. The correct answer is D. Date Jeff as the relationship ended more than 2 years ago. Alice has the ethical right to date Jeff if he wants to, after the therapeutic relationship has ended for at least 2 years. Under the BCBA, the termination of a therapeutic relationship would constitute a formal discharge/transition from care. Question 5. A BCBA is working with a school teacher to reduce the in-classroom problem. Behavior of students. The BCBA should first A. Do an observation to collect baseline data. B. Analysis the function of the behavior and then propose an intervention. C. Give the teacher suggestions on how to solve the similar problems based on the experience and training. D. Ask for informed consent before offering any services. The correct answer is D. Ask for informed consent before offering any services. If you work as a BCBA consultant, this could be a bigger issue than you think. BCBAs are valued members of a wide range of teams, and people may seek a BCBA's advice or input for a client they do not actually have on their caseload. Before consulting, it is critical to obtain consent. That's all for today. See you next time. Visit our website for study guide and exam practice, and follow us on Instagram, Facebook and LinkedIn for free exam questions and discount coupons.